Hello, boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen. Hello, ladies and men to gent. Sorry, boys and girls. MakeMoneyFastToday.com is ready. Okay. MakeMoneyFastToday.com. A few days ago, we made a video say don't sell shuffle, don't sell sand, sell shuffle. Today, MakeMoneyFastToday.com is a good example of what I said. Out there, you're gonna find links to the best softwares in town if you don't want to be a slave anymore, because the reason why you're a slave to somebody else is because you don't know how to solve problems, or more or less you don't believe in yourself, or you don't have the tools to help you do it, so at MakeMoneyFastToday.com, you're going to find all the tools you need, the links. You have like 85 tools right there to help you make money fast today. Just go visit the website and thank me later.